fans. Just came to give a mini review of the Coast Trendz Mats. These are black with diamond stitching. Just installed them on the passenger side of the vert. So the fit is pretty good, pretty snug. Goes all the way around up to the footwell. Covers the sides all the way to the side of the seat. Goes all the way under the front seat right here. And doesn't really affect when you move the seat up. And this is on the seats with the heated and cooling functions. There's a back piece I'm going to put on also, and the driver's side section that's coming up. Those are over here. So that's what the back section is going to look like. That's what the diamond stitching looks like with red color on black. Driver's side, it's going to look like this, and that'll be a little accent for the inside. And it'll be easy to clean. If there any dirt or whatnot settling, you can just easily take it out, dust it off, wipe it off, and you'll be good to go. So I'll have installed pics tomorrow, do a little install video once they're all done. Thanks.